What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is so cold, like I can't tell you guys. I think it's like 49 degrees or like 50 degrees out right now. That is way too much. This is like when riding isn't enjoyable. Like, it's good that we are able to ride, you know, I can still ride, but honestly might as well not ride because I'm just freezing and I can't see nothing because my helmet is all fucked up. Oh, definitely didn't see that person running or these people. Jeez, good thing I put the visor up. I couldn't see nothing. Now all the people are running across. But yeah, you guys saw the title and thumbnail. This is gonna be a fun one. So this is actually the same meet where GDE's 720, if you guys haven't seen that video, yeah, that's when the car hit DDE's 720, and I think Total did. They say it's fixable, but you know, whatever. But yeah, this is the same meet. That's why I'm wearing my leathers. Also, it's because it's really, really cold. But this is kind of like a private meetup, pre-meet, and they're all gonna go drive together to a location. We got the GTR over here. I don't even know what that is. A Lexus. Some McLarens, Aventador, Viper, another Aventador. My rear brake needs to be bled. I also haven't put on the new lightweight rear rotors.
Looks sick next to the 600 LG.
Huh?
Full carbon. Well, besides like the wrap, but like everything on it's carbon. You put that next to it, I think it'd be fire.
That would be cool.
What's up?
Bro, I'm suffocating.
Oh, look who's out here. I'm surprised you're out here as cold as it is.
Yeah.
4 degrees. Bullshit.
I know. It's way too cold.
Get inside, man. It's cold.
I'm wearing 3 layers. I can't even move. Look at me.
But are you still cold though? Do you feel it?
I think I'm more uncomfortable than cold, so it
looks so manky, bro.
Bro, you gotta wear some real socks, dude. Look, you're showing skin.
That's fine. My legs don't get cold. It's just my upper body. Gee. We got the Duck, the R1, and the M1000. The Beamer. But yeah, I actually ended up getting lightweight rear rotor that I haven't put on yet, with of course more titanium bolts and all. So yeah, who's that on the BMW? But yeah, this is gonna be fun. It's freezing. Most bikers don't want to ride, but we're doing this because content.
Did you just get this one?
I'm suffocating. No, it's the same one I've worn before. I literally, this is natural right now, like. Bruh, I literally representation of how I look like. It doesn't fit.
I want to see you run.
My armpit is like suffocating.
Holy shit.
This should be good because it's not like a lot of people. Something like a
Yeah. Still, I'm not going all the way.
yeah, I'm not
Yeah, back either.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'm gonna just ride with them for a little bit.
Like throwing
nice microwave, get a nice toast.
Enjoy the ride.
I mean, not too strong.
I got my new Pista, so I'm not gonna be wearing this anymore. I got the Iridium again. Just picked it up today. Yeah, yeah, same one, the one that got messed up. Got another one. So now we're all matching, cause now I'm always out of place. Look at him. This guy has a Futuro. This guy has the RR. They all have pieces, and I'm out here with a bobble head every time we speed up because this helmet does not cut through the wind. Oh, okay. Never mind. I guess some people are riding. A good amount of people too. Oh, I am glad I didn't take my V4R. Even this one.
Got a little close to the middle there, so good thing.
I know, a little too many for comfort.
A little too
Excuse me.
Sorry, sir. My apologies, sir.
Hey, it'll be. I want to see you in a suit. You'll be the same thing.
Goddamn spider.
How you doing, bro?
2 weeks until the new motorcycle reveal.
That's top secret. Top secret.
To stick my hands in my pants and cut my testicles because they're so warm. Jesus, man.
I don't know. Can I keep that in or should I bleep that out? I don't even know. Will I get age restricted for that? Am I gonna get age restricted for that? I don't even know, bro.
I was gonna get a strike.
Yeah, literally. You're like, what'd you say?
Yes.
Yeah. Same one. What's up, man? No, I wasn't riding yesterday. I don't know. I don't remember riding yesterday. I don't think so. That is my merch, but I don't know if I don't know. I don't remember. I have no idea if I rode yesterday, honestly. Whoa, that's sick. It could be my buddy. I gave a few of my buddies my hoodies. What bike was it?
It was red and black, I think Aprilia.
I mean, that's my bike, but I wasn't riding that Aprilia. So I have no idea, to be honest. I don't think it was me though. I don't think I rode yesterday.
And then if the Hellcats come, they don't know how to use brakes.
Hey, I had a Hellcat, okay? I knew what I was doing. Bro, one time it was completely pouring rain. I was me and MJ in his E63, and I was like, let me see what the Hellcat does in the rain. It was my first time driving in the rain. I just stepped on it. He literally said, he was next to me, he's like, I saw your headlight pointing towards my car, but I saved it. But still.
See, I'm good.
Yeah. No, Hellcats are wild.
Are you guys a motorcycle gang or what are you guys?
I used to.
Man. We the
Who's the like?
We're the
I don't even gotta say because you already know. No shit.
we're the one and only.
Exactly. The ones. We them.
The ones. Oh. You guys want me to walk around and show some of the cars or not?
Well, I mean, I would leave because these are all excited.
That shit's dope.
Yeah, this is already one too many people for me. It's a little too packed. We're blocking the whole thing and they're yelling at us because we're blocking the whole thing down. And I'm surprised, honestly. It's freezing. I'm surprised there's this many bikers out. I guess I'm being a little bit, you know. But hey, I'm not the only one that's freezing. I mean, it's really not that bad in the leathers, but I really don't fit in these. You guys saw, I look funny in these. But oh well. Another Lambo pulling in.
Why would you care about mine?
Is it not too cold or like, bro?
Okay, I'm not the only one. I was like in the video, I was like, yo guys, it's freezing, but we out here getting caught. And then a lot of bikers show up. I'm like, I guess I just complain a lot. I don't know.
Hey, just think about what Big Bear felt like. This is warm right now.
No, honestly, I'm more uncomfortable than cold. Like with this.
25 degrees and homeboy takes his shirt off.
We gotta get content. It wasn't even worth it, but I had to. How much battery do I have left?
Snap his
It
ass.
didn't say, oh, 7 hours. Oh, no, you're good on battery. You're good.
Good? Okay.
See, when you looked at
Because
It's so good.
Move it by the Lexus and the Lambo, I think. I think he said move the bikes by the Lambo or whatever. Yeah, I'm just gonna move it, just cause.
You gotta be this small to speed.
My Ferrari's loud. Jeez. Bro, what the hell? Why is this thing so loud? It's vibrating everything. I know, not gonna lie, this is looking hectic.
Oh, it's okay?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I didn't
I know, I'm wearing a jacket. She's like, who's this?
Are you sure? I usually see shirtless.
What? Where?
I mean on vlog.
She's subscribed to the OnlyFans.
Goddamn. Jesus Christ.
Is your #1 customer?
I'm hyped though because I've been wanting to ride. I did go on a little ride earlier today, but I did not do that. That's clean. What's good, homie?
Missing my bike.
Huh?
Missing my bike.
Oh, what?
I bought a brand new engine.
What happened to your engine?
Nothing. Just want it built engine. Forged pistons.
Okay.
Valves, everything.
Okay, that's crazy. How much do you think is gonna bump up the power and all?
Should be right at about 204, 205.
To the wheel?
Yeah, somewhere.
That's solid.
Yeah. After everything. Well, we got nitrous too. So.
Oh my! You only got NOS on an R1.
Yeah.
Oh, the doors go up. The flex.
Hey, you're wearing pants without holes today.
Huh?
You're wearing pants without holes today.
I know. I messed up. I messed up.
How you been, man?
It's gonna be warm. I'm good. I guess just more and more people are pulling up. It's already like pretty packed in here, so I'm assuming we're gonna leave soon. Just for that, I'll probably pause the video until we head out, just so you know I have as much battery left to record. Even though I'm not going on like a long version of the ride. There's too many people that I don't know, too many cars, it's dark, it's an expensive bike. Yeah, I don't want to get hit because you know, you guys already know.
I don't care if you get that.
Alright. Yeah, I don't.
Moving bikes around.
That's his part-time job, valeting bikes.
Are you doing valet motorcycle parts? Valet. Hit me up on YouTube.
Alright, I will resume on the way out of here.
We're back. New calipers. Hopefully this makes it into the vlog. He's looking for his GoPro. Nice blue ugly ass.
I was like, what? Oh, that's hard.
I am K on YouTube. Look, I'm plugging your channel.
Plug my channel?
Yeah.
Let me see how much battery I have left. Alright, we good.
Alright.
Good film.
Ugly ass Lexus right here. Bro, you. Oh, it's still filming. No, no. No, I thought it died. Ugly ass 458. Oh, this is not gonna make it in the vlog. And then this Aventador is kind of sick. Slow ass bikes. This is sick right here. And that's sick. Drift car. And those are the sick cars. I don't know if you can hear this. Yeah, this is slow. It's no turbos. It's just straight pipe with no bumpers. I can get up this easily. Oh, it's Josh's car. This is sick. That guy's trying to be on the vlog. Sick as fuck. I don't even know if I'm filming. The screen is black.
Yeah. And the cops are gonna be coming. They literally already stopped by and told us to not. do any crazy stuff. I'm sorry guys, I'm really struggling putting gear on. I either really need to break this in or need to get a bigger size, but this is already a bigger size. Jesus Christ. Do you guys notice? This one of them was red, one of them was yellow. I swapped them with another M1000, so now they're both red. Hey, my OCD is way happy. Oh my god, that's loud. Nice. I can see, and it's stupid cold right now. All I see is lights. This is bad. I didn't see nothing. Well, also, I have my visor cracked too. At least you guys can see. Why is everyone behind me? Go in front of me. I'm trying to go slow so people can pass. It's freezing, but the adrenaline definitely helped. I'm just gonna stop right here, film everyone while they leave, because I'm turning back around. I'm not going all the way there. They're splitting up, but I'm leaving. Whew. I'm sorry if it's loud, guys. I literally can't see nothing in front of me. There we go. It's much better. I really needed those high beams. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I hope you had fun, because I don't know, I'm sorry I didn't go on a long portion of the ride. I just like too many people that I don't know and all of that, so I don't want to be involved in an accident, you know, where I get hit or go down. It's just like, it's dark, a lot of like random people, it's cars and bikes, you know, a lot going on. So we went on a portion of it and skipped, you know, the end part. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please drop a like and subscribe. Love you all. Peace out and ride safe.